Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Failing to do this, he falls down. The Bhagavatam confirms this as follows. Anyone who does not render service and neglects his duty unto the primeval Lord, who is the source of all living entities, will certainly fall down from his constitutional position.
Yes. Jayamang Purusham Sakshat Atma Prabhavam Ishwaram Na bhajanti avajananti sthanat bhrashta patantadha. This is also very nice example. The Bhagavad says that we are all parts and parcels of the Supreme. If we do not serve the Supreme, then we fall down from our specified place. What is that? The same example can be given. That this finger, if it becomes diseased and cannot render service to the whole body, it simply gives pain. The other aspect of the part and parcel, try to understand. If the part and parcel cannot render service regularly, that means it is painful. So any person who is not rendering service to the Supreme Lord, he is simply giving pain to the Supreme Lord. He is simply giving trouble. Therefore he has to suffer. Just like any man who is not abiding by the laws of the state, he is simply giving pain to the government and is liable to become criminal. He may think that I am a very good man, but because he is violating the laws of the state, he is simply torturing the government. This is simple. So anyone who is not serving any living entity, who is not serving the God, he is painful. Because he is painful, therefore Krishna comes. He feels pain. That is sinful. If we give pain, the same example, sthanat bhrashta patantada. And as soon as one thing is very painful, just like the government keeps all these painful citizens into the prison house, collect together. You live here, you all nonsense, you criminals, live here. Don't disturb in the open state. Similarly, all these criminals who have violated the laws of God, who have simply given pain to the Lord, they are put in this material world. All this. And sthanat bhrashta patantadha, he falls down from the specified place. Just like the same example. If your finger is painful only, the doctor advises, Mister, your finger has to be now amputated, otherwise it will pollute the whole body. So, sthanat bhrashta, it is fallen down from the specified place. So we have fallen down, being rebelled against the principle of God consciousness. We are all fallen down. So, if we want to revive our original position, we must be placed again into that service attitude. That is the perfect cure. Otherwise we shall suffer pain and God will be suffering pain on account of us. Just like if your son is not good, you suffer and the son suffers. Similarly, we are all sons of God. So when we are painful, God is also painful. The best thing is to revive our original Krishna consciousness and be engaged in the service of the Lord. That is natural life. And that is possible in the spiritual sky or in the Goloka Vrindavan. Wow.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama,